Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring account permissions and tool access. This is not optional. Once confirmed, open the CRK web console or launch the CLI and authenticate. Next, point to the workspace ID and validate data source credentials so CRK can query metrics. Make sure to note API key expiry and permission scopes. These first actions remove common blockers and let you create a dashboard immediately. Don't skip permission checks because they stop later steps dead. You now assemble the dashboard body. Start with a clear layout and add widgets that match your objectives: trend charts for performance, tables for logs, KPI cards for thresholds. Once added, attach queries or data connectors and test each widget's query with sample ranges. Then configure global filters and set refresh intervals. This reduces stale data. Make sure to use consistent units and color rules so the dashboard remains interpretable when shared with teammates. You finish by locking down access and saving a version snapshot. This preserves a known good state. Then share the dashboard link or embed it into reports, verify view-only and edit permissions, and schedule exports if stakeholders need periodic reports. Once done, validate alerts and threshold notifications. If something goes wrong, first check data source authentication and query time windows. Make sure retention and permissions allow the requested fields. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.